Hello. Welcome to this English lesson. Today, we will learn English with a simple conversation. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. Let us begin.
Hello. My name is Ali.
Hello, my name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Ali.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine too, thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from Jordan. Where are you from?
I am from Egypt.
Egypt is nice.
Thank you. Jordan is nice too.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old. How old are you?
I am 21 years old.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student too.
What do you study?
I study English. What do you study?
I study business.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English very much.
Why do you like English?
I like English because it is easy and useful.
Yes, English is important.
Do you speak English every day?
Yes, I speak English every day.
That is good.
Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, I watch movies in English.
Do you listen to music in English?
Yes, I listen to English songs.
That is great.
Let us practice English together.
Yes, let us practice.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. And you?
My favorite food is rice.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee. Do you like coffee?
No, I like tea.
That is nice.
It is good to practice English.
Yes, practice is important.
I am happy to meet you.
I am happy to meet you too.
See you soon, Sarah.
See you soon, Ali.
This is the end of our conversation. Thank you for listening.